back to my YouTube channel. We are back. We are back to the kitchen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is I am Macy. Please consider subscribing, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and share, and leave a comment down below and give a thumbs up for this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always passing by to watch my videos. You are the OGs, please. Thank you for the far that you've taken me. And today we are back to the kitchen. I'm doing baked potatoes in onions. So let's do it. Cooking, I have onions, I have green and red pepper, I have garlic here, and I have my potatoes. So I'm going to bake the potatoes. For baking, go to the salt paper. I'm baking for just one person. It is just one person. So we preheat the oven. We want some cooking oil here, just a little, so that our potatoes don't look dry. Salty, I don't want to come and my potatoes taste saltless. It is a meal for just one person. So that's why it starts slow. So we come in, we are baking. All right. Like that. Yeah. Now let's wait for it and give it like 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah. Meanwhile, I have coriander here. I'll be using coriander. So this one, and store this in the fridge. Look how green it is. So So wait for the potatoes to be ready so that we can continue with the other step, the next step. Check. It's hot. Yeah. They are ready. They are ready. Yeah, the potatoes are ready. They are ready. So, this one. Yes. With potatoes. Let me switch off. Yeah. Let's now go to the next step. The next step is to do the frying. Oh. Want to fry the onion. You fry them until they are golden brown. You want the garlic? Onions are golden brown. Onions are golden brown. You want some salt? A little, very little salt. We'll add more as we go by. And green pepper and cayenne pepper. To reduce the heat, Iyandayo. Yo. You cover it a little. You let it cook for 5 minutes. You check out the potato. So, the potatoes we want. This is paprika. And oregano. Okay. Coriander. You also want some black pepper. You cover it for just 1 minute or 1 minute. Then you get it out. Ah. And switch off. Our potatoes. Hey, they're smelling so good. The smell, wow, of the coriander. It's smelling so good. This is food for one person. Don't ask me why is it so little. guys, I'll end my video here. If you watch and not subscribe, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to like, give a thumbs up, leave a comment about today's recipe and what you would like me to bring next. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. See you in my next video.